Now that wearing a face mask like this one is recommended by the governments, let's take a look on how most of these are made. This is only one example that you can find in many retailers with variety of price tags. I let pictures to speak for themselves. Let's see how we can make our own clean and very reliable face mask that is disposable for those emergency situations that we don't have access to anything better. We don't need much to do this, and it takes only 20 seconds. What we need is a kitchen towel, 2 rubber bands, and a stapler. At least with the DIY ones, we prevent getting the bacterial diseases that otherwise we could get from those paid-for ones that manufactured by the people in those pictures. Oh, if you happen to need more plies, you can use a soft facial tissue, like this one. By folding and implementing this, we will immediately add 4 extra plies to our face mask. Please stay safe, and let's meet again on the other side.